About 4 years ago, I bought a screen protector for an iPhone X. This lasted well and protected my phone screen from severe damage. But it is absolutely wrecked now, so it's time to replace it. Luckily, the kit had 2 screen protectors, so I'm able to replace the old one with a new one from the same kit. The kit also came with an alignment frame, which is reusable, so I can guarantee that the protector will line up perfectly. The kit I bought 4 years ago is no longer available, but there are plenty of similar kits available for the latest iPhones. This video is just to show you the principles of using a frame alignment tool and the steps required for cleaning and preparing the phone screen, which are broadly similar to the steps required by my original kit. So you can see how delaminated the old screen protector is. As I peel it up, it's leaving layers of glue behind on the screen. And it's very crumbly. I think it's made of layers of glass and glue, but it pretty much comes off in one piece. You can just see how absolutely damaged it is. And it's left a little layer of glue there, so let's just peel that off as well. And here's the alcohol wipe. We'll use this to clean off the surface of dust and the residual glue. Just unfold that and start cleaning the screen at the top, and get off this big patch of glue at the bottom of the screen there. Now once we've done that, we take the lint-free cloth. This is important so there's no dust left behind. And now these stickers are to get off the remaining tiny amounts of dust that may still be on the screen. And we just go back and forth all over the screen until we've got most of the dust off. Now we clip on the frame. This is the alignment frame. This should help us get the screen protector exactly in line. Here's the new screen protector. It has 2 sides. The back side has a peel off layer, and we're going to peel that off, and it has the adhesive, which is invisible of course. Then we simply drop it into the frame for a perfect alignment. Just tuck it in there. You can see it starts to adhere. Let's remove the frame and just finish off buffing out any air bubbles. That was probably a little piece of dust that was left on the screen. We can try and get those out with a little squeeze card, push them out to the edges, and give it a final polish. And we've got a very nice new screen protector. As you can see, it's perfectly aligned on the edges and the corners, all the way around, perfect gap, and that's a pretty good job. And there you have it. If you found this interesting or useful, please consider liking and subscribing.